Hi guys, need to show you in this video how to do footers and mason work for the building. You can see here we have two courses of block with airspace. Here block, chair block or L, like header, rebars. You can see rebars come in from the footers. Those rebars will go to the slab. You can see here we have anchor bolt, so that's how it's work. You can see plumber here, anchor bolt, different elevation, anchor bolt, different elevation. You can see details for all. Here we have bricks, here we have mason work, anchor bolt inside. You can see mason work. So that rebar go to slab, and mason rebar, that's the plumber work. Here we have footers here and there, same thing over there. We started to install steel structure. Here we have catch basin there. Okay, steel structure, you can see embedded plate, surveying work, you can see details on walls, you can see. So those rebars will go this way, you can see, I just put it there. That rebar go this way to be inside the slab to tie it to the wall. Steel structure, plumbing work, columns in the middle of the corners. Okay guys, yeah, everything is set center to center to place. Here we put concrete grout under the plates, and here we have plate and washer and plate double. Here you can see mason. Okay, we have a plumber inside, outside. Okay, that's the details. Steel structure, 57 stone inside. Okay, here we have fire hydrant. Here we have riser pipe, 8 inches coming this way. This way you can see. Okay, fire hydrant. Okay guys, here we have a catch basin. You can see concrete manhole and surveying work. That's the center for the columns. This way you can see, and here also we have surveying work for this side. So this video about footers, slab work, rebar work, and storm system, sewer. You can see here the rebars, catch basin, manhole with fabric. Okay, rebars. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.